Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be cooking chicken and long grain white rice in our Instant Pot. So let's get started. Now before we start making our chicken here, we got to make a little rub. So we add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of paprika, and some of this stuff. That's always good. Makes it tasty too. There you go. And I'm going to put a little garlic on them this time. Yeah, now we add a little bit of oil. And we just mix that up. There you go. Just mix it up good. And we can start putting it on our chicken. Just put it on there, spread it around, make it taste good. And keep going here and make it really tasty. And when we put it in our Instant Pot with the rice, that's right, we're going to be cooking the rice with the chicken. And that'll be really good. We're going to find out about the times because it takes just about 18 minutes for the chicken to get done. 18 to 20, right around there, because these are pretty big chicken legs. So what we're going to do is put the rice in at the same time, because the rice usually takes 15 to 18 minutes if it's not long grain rice, and it's I like it a little bit softer, so we're going to try 18 to 20 minutes. We'll check it out. It should be good though. Now we just add our chicken to the trivet. Just like that. And we'll get ready to put it in the Instant Pot. Now we get ready to add our rice to the Instant Pot. Just take the lid off, and we're going to add a cup of rice. So it should be good. Yeah, add 1 cup of chicken stock, chicken bouillon, whatever you have, in there with the rice. And then all we have to do is add our chicken. Now we add our chicken with the trivet. Goes right in there on top of the rice. Keeps it up out of the broth down there. And it should cook just fine. Just put our lid on. Now all we have to do is set it. Now we set our Instant Pot to pressure cook. Yeah, 18 minutes on high. And we just hit start. Now I'll bring you back when that starts to cook. Yeah, the Instant Pot's on its last indicator of preheating, so it's about to seal and start cooking. I'll show you that when that happens. The Instant Pot just sealed, so let's see when it starts cooking. And there you have it, 18 minutes on the clock. It started cooking. I'll bring you back just about when it's done. Well, we got about a minute left on the clock here. And then we'll do either a quick release or a natural release. I think I might do a quick release. Okay, that's the end of the cook time. Alright, let's do a quick release. Let that steam come out. The pin drop. That means we can open the lid. I'll back you up a little bit. Let's try it out, see what's in there. Okay, now all we gotta do is get that out of there and plate it up. Alright, let's get the chicken out of there. And then we'll have to take a look at that rice. Looks pretty good though. With that chicken broth in there, or bouillon. Alright, now all we have to do is plate that up. Well, let's see if we can get the rice out of there. And we'll put it on a plate here. Oh yeah, it's nice. Yep, looks good. Really good. And with the chicken broth in there, it makes it good. So, I think it's going to be tasty. Alright. Let's plate up our chicken here. Oh, hot. And there you go. Boy, that looks good. I can't wait to have a bite of that chicken. There you have it, folks. Garnish with a little bit of green onions or chive. And it looks nice. I bet you that tastes good, that rice too. I can't wait to get into that chicken. Yeah, I gotta have a little taste. Oh, is that tasty and moist. And with those spices on the outside of that chicken, you gotta be kidding me, that's good. There you have it, folks. Chicken and rice with bouillon or chicken broth all in one pot. You can't beat that. Well, friends, that's it for this one. More info is in the description. And just remember, if I can do it, you can do it. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.